Hi, I'm Kevin Kromer with the Eagle County Sheriff's Office. We're here today at the 2015 FIS Alpine World Ski Championships. During this event, we've been doing a test using the new Sonim XP7 device. I just found out about this about a week and a half ago. I have to say it's pretty impressive when the vendor comes in and throws the thing up in the air unless it falls on the floor. Says don't worry about it, it's meant to do that. Throughout this event, as I've sat down in places with friends of mine, I've casually knocked the phone off onto the floor just to watch their expression as they all try and catch it. I've probably done it about 10 times, it's still going strong. As a device itself, runs on Android. That one's been a little bit of a challenge for me because I've never been an Android user, so I'm going through that. But some of the things I've really liked about it, the battery life. I know that's always the biggest issue with our personal cell phones, the batteries die during a shift. So we went 2 full 8-hour operational periods during the event where I handed the device out in the morning, went through training with everybody. GPS is on, we had a tracking app on so we could map everybody, collect them at the end of the day, turned them off. Didn't charge them that night. The next day went back, turned them all on. We still had about 20% battery life because that's always one of the things we want to know is what's the battery life going to be on these things. So as far as a device, I think this is kind of what we're looking for to make it an actual useful tool, just like all the other equipment that we expect to perform for us. So it's been a great backdrop here with a real live international event that we're able to use the mobile broadband for public safety spectrum, pull up a device like this, and then get the apps because it takes everything to work together for us to get our job done. And we have to know the spectrum's going to work, we have to know the equipment we have is going to work, and I'm not going to be getting calls because all of a sudden the battery's dead or things don't work or they can't read it because it's too sunny out and the thing's not bright enough, they can't hear it because the speaker's too dim. You know, it's nice and loud, beeping away, almost annoyingly loud at times, especially if you're in a briefing. And then the applications that it can run, that all the various developers of all these wildly creative people that they come up with of things that we don't even think about as first responders, things to make us better, make it better for the citizens so we can respond to their needs to put onto these things, and then we get to go out and deploy them. So it's been a wonderful time here at the event, and we're going to keep on playing.